Morning. I like to welcome you in this course, which is Physics 122. This course is going to be completely online, which means no meeting, no class meetings. I will post the material like week by week or maybe like 2 weeks for the chapter. It depends on the base of the chapter. Um, I'm asking you here to, maybe listen carefully to what I will say. My name is Asma Saeed. I am going to be the instructor for this class. I'm here, of course, to support your success and, of course, answer any questions that you need. And we can cooperate together so that you will achieve your maximum goals that you want to achieve through this course. The first thing I want to maybe go over is just I want to show you what is really the general structure for each chapter. Now here, let's say this is chapter 14, which is about temperature and heat. These videos I will update. I'm working on these, and every week you will have the updated videos. Now, for this course, for example, I have objectives that one of my objectives is to convert a temperature from one scale to another. We are going to talk about methods of heat transfer. We are going to talk about heat capacities. We are going to talk about change in phase. All these are topics. This chapter actually is very rich in information. I initially assigned for it a week, but maybe I will say I'm gonna 2 weeks in that. Now the course assignments, they are going to be, I will say, three types, the ones in the lecture. The first one is the discussion, and the second one is a knowledge check, and the third one is going to be the exams. Now every week you're going to have a discussion, and you are going to have a knowledge check, which is a quiz. Now, all the quizzes and exams, they require Responder's lockdown browser, which also requires a webcam. Then from now, I want you to start working on, getting your webcam for these like assignments to be completed. I will not use any external homework tool. Everything is going to be completed in Canvas. I always suggest also some homework problems. These are gonna be related to what we will cover, and also in the same time maybe what we are going to expect in quizzes and exams. This one is the publishers. I will say answer. I'm just looking here. Yeah, this is chapter 14. This is like the answer, the manual answer sheet, like for all the problems in your textbook. Physics, it is based on practice, therefore you need to do the practice. I will post a practice quiz or exam just to show you how you are going to deal with the browsers, and also more instructions about it. Now let's go to the syllabus. Let me see if like the syllabus, I don't like to actually to upload it here. It is, you will find it under the main page here. This is really the syllabus. Of course, here I am providing you with my email address, my name, Physics 12240. It is the second course in the series, which is like Elements of Physics. It's going to be completely online, and it is asynchronous, means no class meetings. These are my office hours. They are distributed like on days like Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, and even a Saturday, because I'm teaching a Saturday Sunday class. This is the textbook that I'm gonna use, and it is College Physics 10th edition. And of course, this is really the required textbook where you need to read, and all the information is gonna be provided from this, I will say, textbook. Now, one of the things that you need to do is after reading this syllabus carefully, you're gonna understand all the content. If you like, you can ask me questions, and then you are going to sign the acknowledgement form. You are going to find it on the main page below this one, and you will submit it. That is gonna tell me that you have read the, I will say, the syllabus, you did understand everything, and you are willing to, to follow the rules. Midterm exam, discussion board assignments, and knowledge checks are mandatory and must be taken when scheduled. They cannot be made up. I cannot make up any of these assignments. The knowledge checks should be completed through Canvas. Each knowledge check is 10 questions and it is timed for 30 minutes. You have 2 attempts, and your grades will be based on the average of the 2 attempts using Lockdown browser and Respondus Monitor. All right, then you're gonna have a webcam. You should be in the Lock browser. You cannot exit it. You cannot search for solutions over the net. Then I will say, when you are ready, start working on these knowledge checks. Each midterm exam also is timed for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and it should be completed through Canvas, and again is going to be through the Lockdown browser. No makeup exams will be given because I am offering an extra exam that is going to be dropped. And also I'm gonna drop also 1 knowledge check, and these they're gonna be because you have an emergency. All right, and that is really something that because I was saying the environment we teach, we don't have any time for any makeups. Now you are going, because this is an online class and we don't meet in person, we're gonna have a discussion board assignment, and I will post a question, and that question you need to start discussing this with your group mate, reach a final answer, and you will choose 1 student who will post the answer by Wednesday. Now after that, you're gonna wait till the other groups have posted, and then you're gonna reply by Friday. Each group will receive 5 points for the initial post and 5 points for replying to a group. Then you're gonna receive on your work as a group 10 points for each discussion board. These are the rules for the exams. They are 3 exams that they're gonna be offered. 1 of them is gonna be dropped. I'm gonna use the Lockdown browser and a Respondus Monitor. The maximum time, it is 1 hour 15 minutes. You can have multiple choice or essay questions. If you have an essay question, then this is the, I will say, the rubric to grade it. You should provide me with the equation. You should plug in the numbers. You should do the math, and then unit and significant figures. And I will actually show you how I'm gonna do this in my lectures. These also, about the same thing I was talking about, the knowledge checks. The final exam is going to be 15%. It's going to have the same rules, but the maximum exam is going to be 2 hours. And it might be also like essay questions or essay questions or multiple choice. The lab, of course, the syllabus will be provided by your lab partner, by lab instructor, and it's gonna be different. Most of the time they're gonna be having like 20%. You might find an instructor is gonna have consider it 25%. For me, it's gonna be 20%. By the way, you need, of course, to pass the lab in order to get passing the lecture part. This is the letter grades, and it's like the same as the school. This is my grading policy. I will consider the knowledge checks 20%, the lab 20%, the final exam 15%, the discussion board assignments they're gonna be 20%, and the midterm exam 25%. I will post also another like document where I'm gonna explain to you what does it mean to have a weighted let's say total. Okay, because you're gonna see in like in Canvas I'm gonna put the weights for each group of assignments, and what you are going to see as a result is your weighted total, and then I'm gonna show you what does that mean. Now of course attendance will be taken based on your submission, and a student who misses 15% or more of the course may be dropped from the course. Here are really the learning outcomes, accessibility, Title X, like these are, information for you. Any student who needs accommodations, please do this as soon as you can. These are about like, the computer, software, hardware, the things that we need. And of course, academic integrity is very important. This is why I am using the Lock browser. Here is I will say the outline of the course. These are the topics, and here we're gonna have the tentative, this is the tentative schedule, which might change at any moment based on the base of the course. The exams also here, they are really, I will say, available for you, and you are going to work on these during the time that is located here. They will be available from Friday. I wrote here a Sunday. It's gonna be until Friday. It's gonna be only Friday from AM to. Okay, this is really here. I need to fix it. I don't know why I wrote like Sunday. It's gonna be Friday, all of these Fridays. All right, then it's gonna be from Friday AM 12 a.m. to 11:59 on Friday. This is the acknowledgement form that I want you to submit. Thank you and have a great day.